everybody, welcome to Craft a Story. It's Celeste here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It'll help me grow my channel and that allows me to put out more videos like this. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. I want to start this video with a thank you, and it's to Penny from Penny's Crafty Creations. She sent me a birthday card, which was so sweet of her, and I immediately knew it came from her because this is her signature. These beautiful little mushrooms that she draws, just gorgeous. And so inside was my card, beautiful paper. I mean, just look at that gorgeous paper. And I had all these die-cut gorgeous little goodies, which are very sort of Easter-ish, but I know that I can use them in a bunch of different ways. Thank you so much, Penny. This is like crafting gold. And then she says, happiest of birthday wishes, Celeste. I hope your birthday is filled with many awesomely happy memories. May your birthday rock. Hugs, Penny. Penny's Crafty Creations. It did, Penny. Thank you so much. We landed up in the kitchen baking a carrot cake, and that was my favorite. So that was my birthday gift, is the carrot cake. And there's still some in the freezer, which I'm hoarding. So yeah, no, carrot cake, absolute favorite. All right, so I went thrifting just a little while ago, and I picked up this jumbo playing card. I mean, it was 99 cents, for crying in a bucket. It was so cheap, I couldn't leave it. I didn't have a use for it at the time, but I do now with Penny's Deck the Year. So Penny has a hashtag called Deck the Year. So hashtag Deck the Year. And I thought these would be perfect, right? So I decided that I would make them look like giant stamps. And so I just took out my little punch and I happily started punching all the way around. And then when I looked at it afterwards, I thought, no, that doesn't look good, because the spacing is so uneven. I mean, this spacing is still okay, but this spacing was just all over it was just not, I didn't like it. And I just thought, I will maybe have to cut this off or do something else with this card, but I'm not going to use it. I don't like how my spacing is so haphazard. And so I thought, well, okay, I'll slow down and measure out. Let me put it up against the background where you can see, and just measure it out a little better. So I decided I'll do the 4 corners, and then I will take a halfway mark, and then I'll take another halfway mark, and then halfway in between those two. And that way I was able to space it a little bit better. It's still not great. I still have some discrepancies, but it's not as bad as that first one. And so just as an example, I just eyeballed it, guys. So center-ish, and then like that, and then like this, just so you get a little bit more even of a punch. And then just sort of half a circle, and so you would just go all the way around. And now I'm going half here, then half, oops, I can go a bit further in on that one, and half a circle here. So I get a slightly better spacing that way. Okay, so I'm going to put that one aside because I've pre-prepared one, and I'm going to just play on this side because I want to keep my hearts on that side. I'm just going to play on this side. Got a little bit of paper from a collection, from one of my own collections, my online collection on my Etsy shop. I'm going to take this double-sided tape off. I thought, oh, this will be quicker, the double-sided tape, and then I realized it's not really quicker. It's less messy, but it's not really all that much quicker. But I like the idea of this card because I just thought it's a way for me to actually start using these decks. this deck of cards, which I've had for a while actually. I'd say, man, a good, I don't know, 6 months-ish, kind of, maybe. Yeah, roughly. All right, like that. Then I thought maybe, let's see, we'll do a little collage work here. Let's get my glue out and come in a little bit, I suppose. Hey, it's a little, oops, goodness gracious, far away. I thought I would lay it out, but I'm just going to wing it. Just going to kind of put stuff down here, there, and everywhere. I got these limes off, you know, you buy those, oh dear, I dropped something, oopsie. Those 12 packs of drinks, canned fizzy drinks. It's like a seltzer water. I can't remember the name of it now. It's polar something. And I was about to throw the box out, well, into the recycling, and I noticed the limes, and I thought, ooh, I think I can use those. You know how it is, right? I'm sure I'm not the only one that does that. You just kind of look at something, go, All right, well, I've got this butterfly. I think maybe, let me see where I can put this little flutterby. Let's put our flutterby. Flutterby goes up here, like so. And then I had this piece of washi tape, and I wonder if I should have put that down under. I can still lift this. Yeah, I think I should have put that under the lines. So let me do that. Kind of stretched across like that. Okay, we'll get this little bit of, oh man, why did I put this? I mean to put this down on its head, and I put it down the other way. So I'm going to have to shake it a little bit, get some of that glue out. It's probably enough anyway. Let's get this one back down. Like that. And I don't think I want all that sticking over. So where is my craft knife? I think I'm just going to cut this excess little bit off here. There we go. Yeah, that looks a bit better like that. And then let's put down some inspirational words. Well, the word inspire. Okay, there's one. Where's my other word? And what am I doing? It's not a sticker, Celeste. What is it? Okay, like this. And then, you know, be original. Let's see, should we put it this way so it's a little, the eye gets taken in a different direction. Be original. Just like that. Okay. And it's done. This is my deck the year. I think it turned out really, really nicely. Okay, maybe I'll bring this back. You can see better. Let me do a little flyby and you can see. I wonder if I put this light off, if I have better natural light. I might have better natural light like that. I hope. Okay, so there's still quite a bit of glue there on the little antenna. But yeah, I really like this giant little stamp. And so that is my deck the year for this week, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you have an amazing week. And I will see you next time. Bye.